DCC Automation developed the hygienic robotic casing system. This unique solution leverages unified robotics control to set new benchmarks in quality, efficiency, product safety, and high production standards.
Receiving the OEM Innovation Award is a momentous achievement that holds profound significance for DCC Automation. This accolade not only symbolizes recognition of our relentless pursuit of excellence and innovation, but also underscores our successful integration of Rockwell Automation's cutting-edge technologies in our solutions. Being part of the network program positioned us at the forefront of technological advancements and industry trends. The Innovation Award represents a validation of our commitment to leveraging these resources to deliver innovative, efficient, and sustainable solutions to our customers. It also amplifies our market positioning, enhancing our credibility and reputation among peers and customers alike. As we move forward, we are inspired to explore new opportunities, tackle challenges with innovative solutions, and contribute to shaping the future of manufacturing in partnership with Rockwell Automation.